Okay, in this video we're going to factor the following expression, and we're going to use method 4, slide and divide. In the description box of this video I have a playlist where I cover different methods including slide and divide, and I go over it in more detail, so I cover like stipulations. And so this video is mainly meant to be treated as a practice problem. And so let's begin. So with this strategy we want to get this piece to be an x squared, and the way we do that is we divide by 4. And so we get x squared, we keep our plus 3x, now it's called slide and divide. So we take this 4, we multiply by this piece. So negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Now obviously this and this is not equivalent. This is not equivalent in math. But there's a step at the end to make it work. Now what I'm going to do is just factor this piece. Factoring an x squared is a lot easier than factoring a 4x squared, and that's why this method is useful. So to get x squared, it's going to be x times x. Now we think, what two numbers multiply to give us negative 4 but add to give us 3? And that's going to be positive 4 and negative 1. Because 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Likewise, 4 minus 1 is positive 3. Now we have to balance it out. So here we divided by 4. Our next step is to divide both pieces by 4, and we have to see something special. If when we divide we get a nice number, like a nice whole number, we keep it. So this piece will get a nice number. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. So we're going to get x plus 1, close parentheses. Then we'll do this piece. Now this piece we get a fraction, not a nice number. So instead, we take this 4, we multiply by x. So we get 4x minus 1. And this is our final answer. And we can check. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x. 1 times 4x is 4x. 4x minus 1x is 3x, and 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, and so it's a match. Again, I highly recommend, if you're going to implement this strategy, watch the video in the description box that covers slide and divide, just so you understand any stipulations. And that's pretty much it for this video.